Hello, my name is Tom, and today I want to show you what a normal day in my life looks like.
I'm 25 years old, and I live alone in a small but comfortable apartment in the city. I work as an office worker, so most of my weekdays follow a simple and regular routine. Every morning, I usually wake up at around 6:30, even though I still feel a little sleepy sometimes. The first thing I do in the morning is brush my teeth, because it helps me feel fresh and fully awake. After that, I wash my face carefully, because it helps me wake up much faster in the morning. Next, I get dressed and choose something simple and comfortable to wear before I leave the house. I also make sure I have everything I need, like my phone, wallet, and bag, before starting the day. I usually eat bread and drink a cup of coffee, and that gives me enough energy to begin my day. While I'm eating, I often check my phone, read some news, or quickly look through social media. At around 7:30, I leave my apartment and head to work, usually by bus because it's the most convenient choice. I wait at the bus stop every morning, and sometimes there are already many people heading to work too. The bus is sometimes quite crowded in the morning, but I'm already used to that, so it doesn't bother me much. During the ride, I like listening to music or simply looking outside the window and enjoying a quiet moment. I start working at 8, and most of my work involves using the computer and handling office tasks. I write emails, complete my tasks, and sometimes deal with small problems that come up during the day. I also talk with my coworkers during the day, and we often help each other whenever someone needs support. At night, I go to bed feeling relaxed and thankful, because even a simple day can still be a good day.